Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech with Suraj. Today we're building something incredibly useful, a tool that content creators and everyday users need all the time. We are making our very own custom YouTube video downloader. And the best part? We're building the entire software using Google Antigravity powered by Gemini 3.1 Pro. Let's dive in. First, we're opening up Antigravity and creating a brand new project folder named YouTube Downloader. Now, using Gemini, I've already generated our complete project structure. I have the exact libraries we need, the folder layout, and all the UI details ready to go. I'm going to copy that detailed plan, paste it right into the Antigravity chat box, set the mode to Planning, select the Gemini 3.1 Pro model, and hit Enter. Let's watch it work. Look at this. It immediately starts thinking and breaks everything down into a step-by-step task list. It's going from project creation all the way to testing. It's creating the directories, generating the files, and finding all the necessary requirements. Now it's building the UI files and writing the core logic. You can see it checking off tasks as it goes. Finally, it creates our entry point, main.py, and starts installing the requirements. And done! Let's test it out. The software opens perfectly. Let's grab a YouTube video link, paste it into the URL field, and hit download. It fetches the data and instantly downloads it. Success! But it's a little too basic right now. I want to make this totally premium. I want to choose my download location, select different video qualities, and have an option to download just the audio. So, I'll type these new requirements into the chat box and hit Enter. Antigravity immediately updates the plan and starts coding. It's adding a settings dialog, a quality dropdown, and changing the flow so it fetches the video details before we download. All right, it says it's done. Let's run it. I'll paste the URL and hit fetch. Uh-oh, we have an error. No problem. This is where AI shines. I'm just going to take a screenshot of the error, send it in the chat, and boom, it instantly debugs and solves the issue. Let's test again. First, checking the new settings window. Looks great. I'll paste the URL, hit fetch, and there we go, the video data appears. I'll select my video quality and hit download. Wow, that was fast. Let's check the folder, and there it is, playing perfectly. But wait, what happens if I try to download the same video again? Another error. It seems it doesn't know how to overwrite existing files. Let's take another screenshot, send it over, and just like that, the AI patches the issue. Solved. Okay, let's test the different qualities. The video downloads, but when I play it, there's no sound. The video is completely muted. High-quality YouTube streams often separate the video and audio tracks, so I'll tell the AI in the chat, "Hey, the downloaded video has no audio." Antigravity instantly recognizes the issue. It realizes we need to merge the video and audio streams, adds a new library for the merging process, and updates the code. Let's test it. Hit download, and we get a new error. Screenshot, send, fixed. Classic programming, right? All right, to finish this off, I want the UI to show the video thumbnail after we fetch it, and I want the highest quality to be selected by default. I'll ask the AI to add those last two features. It implements them instantly. And there we have it. A fully functional, beautifully designed YouTube downloader with custom settings, quality selection, and audio merging, all built in record time using Google Antigravity. If you found this video helpful and want to see more AI software development tutorials, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to Tech with Suraj, and let me know in the comments what software we should build next. I've dropped the link to the software in the description below, so be sure to check it out and enjoy.